Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I just got done doing this beautiful dolly pink look. I was feeling super creative, so I hope you guys are feeling creative with me. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of me and catch me on the other side. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera once again for the purpose of the video, to make the video go a little bit faster because I take a little long time doing my eyebrows. So before we begin, I'm gonna need all the Red Bull because we're gonna do a cut crease pink eyeshadow look. We're gonna use this palette right here. Have beautiful colors, but we're going to use the pink side. So before we start with the eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use Tarte. This is in light medium honey. I'm using super light because I want the pink to be bright. So we're gonna put this all over our lids. And then we're gonna blend this all out. Just like this. How are you guys doing? I've been trying to stay busy. I've been stuck at home for 2 months, haven't went out or anything. But only to the groceries. Alright, so when all that blending, you're doing the next eye. It looks kind of funny right now, but it's okay. We will fix all this. I'm gonna do my guide and then we're going to blend. So I'm gonna use this pink moon right here and we're gonna start our guide. So the same way you do a wing liner underneath, you're gonna do the wing up top. That's gonna be our guide. It's going to be like a wing liner. You see that? Add more product if you need to. And do the process again. We're going to do a little dramatic look today using pink. And I promise you it will look cute. I usually don't go this dramatic, but I was feeling playful today, so why not be playful, right? Let's be playful together. All right, once you got that guide, you do the next one on the next eye. Now we got that, we're going to use a darker color. So it's like a little more purplish color right here. And we're gonna put it underneath right here. So this will help us cut the crease and give us a more definition. Don't worry guys, we're gonna blend all this out. Then grab that pink again. And just carve the line. Because what we're doing is we're carving it because we're going to blend the eyeshadow just so it can make it a little more. Because right now the lines are super harsh and we don't need the harsh line. Grab a plain brush and just brush it up. Lotus, the lighter pink up here, and we're just going to put it on top and just sweep it so we can have a little more blend eyeshadow up here. Don't drag it too high up, we're just having it right there. Because we want this to look a little bit blended, not harsh lines. So we can sweep it. And then we do the same thing on this eye. Alright, so now we're going to cut. But since you already did your guide, it should be easy for you to cut it with the concealer. So I'm going to grab the Tarte concealer again, just so I can carve that line. So dab and go down. That's the easier way for me to do it. Okay, once you got your guide done, once you got your crease already shaped up, and just twist it up a little bit. I'm going to use a flat brush, just like this, and I'm going to spray my brush to get a little bit moist, and grab the, it's like a glittery pink, and just put it all over my eyelids where I concealed. Put that all over your eyelids, just like this. Use electric pink. This is super pink. pink liner pencil. Now I'm going to put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Eyelashes are done. Now I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo pencil in white and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, the waterline. This will brighten my eyes up. I'm going to grab the same pencil we use to carve our eyes. We're going to put it underneath and do the same color. We're going to do a soft pink color underneath our eyes. So we're going to make it smoky. So now we're going to prime our face. So eyes are done. Now is foundation time. So I'm priming. So I bought 2 new foundation and I'm going to try it. It's not new in the stores, but it's new for me. So it's the True Blend Matte Made. So I got these 2 foundation and this is in T10 and T60. This is the 24-hour. And let's blend it out. I'm going to use this new brush that I bought. It's so cute. It has a little puppy paw. I bought it on Amazon. So I'm going to try it out and see how it works. It's a little darker. Alright, so I'm going to use my concealer. This is my favorite concealer. Just can't say enough good things about this concealer. This is the Maybelline eraser. So we're going to conceal our dark circles. Conceal and brighten this up. Okay, the foundation is okay. I like more dewy foundation. I don't know if I like the matte. It makes me look a little too cakey. Feeling it. Contour. My foundation stick. This color right here. I'm just going to place it right here. Blend away. Now my nose. Now we're going to use a setting powder. Everyday Vacay. Just like this. I like to press when I set it in. Around the crease of the nose. Now, let me just brush it out. Use the brown and just go over that cream foundation. I'm going to use the pinkest pink blush. Give me like a doll effect. Smile and put it on the apples of your cheeks. Ooh, I think I put too much. You can blend it out. Take care of that and just brush it out. I'm gonna use this pretty highlighter up here. I'm gonna use this cute little guy right here. This little fan brush, and we're going to highlight. This highlighter, I look like I'm going to a disco club. So the lips, I'm just gonna keep it simple. So I'm gonna use this little pink lip gloss. I'm just gonna put it on my lips. We're keeping all this look super pink today. I am all done. This is the final look. So if you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.